Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and welcome to the Monday Grind. All right, you all, we got a nice watch face for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store. Now, I paid $1 for this one. I chose it simply because of the design. But at the end of the video, please let me know if this was a download or should I have left it right where it was at. Now, the name of the watch face is called Watch Face 037M. In the AOD mode, it has a really nice look with a black background that brings out the time. But once the watch face is on, I like this V-shaped design. I do like the slant digital time. You're gonna get your battery info. You're gonna get your step status info like floors climbed, calories burned, your heart rate information, step information, and you're also gonna get your date. Very colorful as well. I like the blending of the colors. I thought the developer did a really good job with the design of this watch face. Now, it is interactive, but you can only tap into like your heart rate. You can get your S health status if you tap right here, and that'll bring up your S health status. And also you can come over here and tap on the date and it'll bring up the date. So this isn't bad at all, but you can customize the colors to a few different colors. Simply double tap and you can change the colors to whatever it is you would like for it to be for what it offers. Nice black one, not bad. And I thought it was pretty cool. For $1, I don't think it's bad. I don't think it's bad at all. But at the end of the day, people, you know it is all about you. What did you think of this watch face? Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to comment. And make sure you subscribe to the channel to be able to get more videos downloaded to your device. All right, you all, that's going to be it. It's time for me to continue the Monday grind. I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.